channel. Today we are officially diving in to the Prom series. Make sure to follow me on all my social media so that you can give me your insight on the colors that you would like to see. Darks, neutrals, pinks, reds, I mean let me know. I do have a couple of big bling earrings, so today I decided to go and do a little bit of smoky, a little bit of plum, something in between. The whole objective of this series is to make it fun, easy, and accessible. So all of the products that I'm using are drugstore. So if you're interested in recreating this sparkly look right here, make sure to keep on watching. Alright guys, I already prepped and primed my eye. I'm gonna go in with two e.l.f. eyeshadow duo and trios, and I want to make this look super simple. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the lightest shade of the palette. I want to make sure that I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with this dark purple shade, and I just want to create my shadow like map, because we're going to go back and darken the area. With the fluffy brush, carefully place at the edge of the eye and just kind of work your way into the crease. So again, for me, I have small, sort of hooded eyes, so I try to extend all my eyeshadow. So now that I kind of created a shadow, I'm going to go in with this even darker purple. And again, I want to just lightly map where I'm going to place my darker shade. So again, I want to focus on the outer edge. Go in and cut the crease. This will only help intensify the color. Make sure that I set my cut crease with translucent powder, face powder, whatever you have available. And I'm going to go in with this duo called Soulmate, and I'm going to go in with the purpley gray eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and spray that and then lay it down. I'm going to go in with the Super Shock eyeshadow in So Quiche. You can use your finger, or I'm going to go in with a brush, whichever you like the best. And I'm just going to layer this in that dark purple section, or the gray purple. I'm kind of pressing it down and packing it on. Also with this eyeshadow, you could use your finger. I'm going to go in with the flat brush just because it just gives me more control. And I'm going to go ahead and lay it in the inner corner. Once you have the two colors already laid down, what I need to focus on is blending both shades together. I mostly went in with the Colorpop eyeshadow just to make sure that I have that purple gray. Go in the center and just pull the red over to the gray to make sure that all of it is blended. And then with a more precise fluffy brush, a smaller one, we're going to do a combination of the purple berry shade and the dark purple shade. So I want to just focus it on the edge and just darken it up. Going with the dark purple shade. When working with a Colorpop shade that's so glittery, going to see, especially for me that I have hooded eyes, you're gonna see a little bit of transfer. And I mean, I really don't mind, only because it's not super duper obvious. But maybe if you don't have hooded eyes, you won't experience that. But I mean, it doesn't really bother me that much. But once I feel that I'm happy with it, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a clean fluffy brush and run it through the top edge just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. So far, I'm not really liking how my skin is looking. I don't feel like right now I have super dry, intense skin, and I feel like it's kind of just like sitting on top of my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a close-up. You guys can like tell like an eye chin area right here. It looks really like cakey. I'm not really loving it. Besides like the breakouts, so we look good from far away, and that's all that matters. I'm gonna continue to test this foundation. Again, like I said, it's not my favorite so far, but maybe the more that I use it, maybe with a different primer, I don't know, but right now I'm not like a huge fan. Finish off the bottom of the eye. I'm gonna go in with that light shade from this trio. I'm gonna work our way to that berry shade. And I want to go into this duo, and I want to do the gray in the middle and the darker purple towards the edge. I'm not gonna wet this color, I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the center. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Milani Stay Put Waterproof Pencil in the shade Fixed on Plum. I want to work it in my waterline and also in my lash line so I can kind of drag down the color. We have so much smoky that I want to go ahead and brighten the eyes. I'm going to go in with a Loreal Silkissime eyeliner. Go ahead and place this in the inner corner and drag it to the inner third. To set this shade, I'm going to go in with the Hard Candy Glow All the Way trio in 3 times a charm. I want to just go ahead and press that into the inner corner. It is a super glittery shade. I wouldn't put this on my face as a highlighter, just because it has so much glitter, but I like it for like an eyeshadow alternative. So that is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Please make sure to follow me on all my social media so that you can vote and tell me what colors you're interested in recreating and what you want to see in my channel. If you have not subscribed, make sure to do so. Click the notification bell so that you can know when I upload and what's going on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.